Welcome to the part 37 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we're going to have a look at diphthongs. Alright, so in this video, we're simply going to make some words having some common sounds. Alright, so first of all, we have the sound of U, right? If you make this word fume, and if you pronounce it goes like fume. Alright, so we have this U sound coming from this word. So we represent U simply by making this character. Alright, so this word fume can be written simply like this. Alright, this is our short curve, which is F. Then we made this character to represent our U sound. Right, then we finally have this long stroke, which is M. So this is our word fume. In the same way, if you have another word called human this time. So if you pronounce it goes like human. So again, we have U sound coming from this word. So again, we will be making this character to represent our U sound. So this word can be made simply like this. Alright, this is our, and let's put a dot also. So first we have this dot to represent our hey, as we have studied before. Then we have this character to represent our U sound. Then we have this M, assume till here. This is our M, and then we have this short stroke, which is our N. Right, so this is our word human. Alright, so that's how you represent the U sound in any word. Alright, next let's take the next. We have the sound of ow. If you make this now word, and if you pronounce it goes like now, so it is ow. Ow sound coming from this word. So we represent the ow sound simply by like this. Alright, so we can make this now word like this. This is our short stroke, which is N. Then we made this character to represent our ow. So this is our now. Alright. In the same way, if you have another word called cow this time. So if you pronounce it goes like cow. So again, we have ow sound coming from this word. So we again be making this character to represent our ow. Now if you compare these two, this U and ow, if you compare these two characters, here we have a small circle and here we have a big circle. Alright, so you have to keep this in your mind. So let's make this cow word. It will be made simply like this. So this is our K. Then we made this character to represent our ow sound. So this is our word cow. Next we have the sound of oi. Alright, if we have a word called oil, and if you pronounce it goes like oil. So we have oi sound coming from this word. So we represent oi sound in any word simply like this. Alright, so we can make the oil word simply like this. So this is our first of all oi. Then we have this long curve, which is our L. So we can call this word as oil. In the same way, if you have another word called join this time. So if you pronounce it goes like join. So it is oi. Again, we have the oi sound coming from this word. So again, we will be making this character to represent our oi sound. Oi. Alright. So this word can be made simply like this. Right. This is our long stroke, which is J, as you have studied before. And then we have this oi. This character to represent our oi sound. Then we finally have this short stroke, which is our N. So this is our word join. Alright, so now we have the sound of I. So if you make the word die here, and if you pronounce it goes like die. So we have the sound of I coming from this word. Although we have already studied the sound of I earlier, but as I also comes in diphthong, so we're gonna look at this again. So we represent the I sound in any word simply like this. Alright, so we can make the die word like this. Alright, in the same way, so this is our word die. In the same way, if you have another word called lie this time. So again, if you pronounce it goes like lie. So you have the sound of I again coming from this word. So we can simply make the lie word lie this. So see, we have the long curve which is L, then we made this character to represent our I. So this is our word lie. Alright, so that's how you represent the sound of you, ow, oi, and I. Alright, so that's all about the diphthongs, and I will see you in the next video.